Glass production is an art, and that is why Glasgow is glass apart. We have trained more than 250 glass blowers in our facility who can produce goods within ISO and ASTM standards. In our facility, we employ close to 120 glass blowers. There is a lot of customization that is happening in glass, and that is why the skill of glass blowing is alive, and we have to constantly keep on innovating in glass blowing. Glasgow's vision is to grow 3x from here, and there are two paths to it: organic path as well as inorganic path. Organically, we have infrastructure in place to grow our existing base business. We plan to open new warehouses, new sales offices in other continents and in other countries. The inorganic path, we last year acquired a company which is into the vial manufacturing in Vapi. That plant is running very well, and we plan to expand it further. We are also looking at other verticals to grow the business, where we can push our products in the same channels, which will help us to grow further. Glasgow, as a responsible company, is very concerned about the CSR initiatives, the climate change that is happening, and we want to give a lot to society. Glasgow devotes more than 5% of its profits that it earns into social responsibility. We are helping a lot of NGOs, and some of the NGOs that we are helping is Spinal Rehabilitation Center, along with Rotary Club Hospital, which helps a lot of people. Glasgow has started its foundation, and we are going to help educate the girl child. There are a lot of projects that we are further considering for social responsibility. Climate change is a very big thing that is happening all around, and we as a responsible company want to make ourselves count for climate change. In our company, we have taken certain initiatives for climate change. Glasgow is one of the few companies who is producing nearly 50% of our energy that we are getting is from solar energy and other renewable means. We are looking at using hydrogen for glass production in future, which will help us to save a lot of LPG gas that we are using right now, and which will be very much environmental friendly. A lot of experiments are happening in this. Glasgow has been growing at a CAGR of nearly 22% for the last 5 years, and we intend to grow much further on that. The time has come to stamp our authority and our name on the world stage of being the top manufacturer of laboratory glassware. And I see that vision and that dream coming true very soon.